Realme has just launched two of their brand new 7 series mid-range smartphones, the Realme 7 and the Realme 7 Pro. In this video, we are going to focus on the Realme 7, checking out its water resistance, drop impact resistance, quality of glass protection, and most importantly, the structural build quality of its plastic body. As you can see, the free TPO case given by Realme in the box is of the highest quality as normal, something which Realme has stopped giving in the C series. We'll be coming back to the importance of using this case later in the video. The mist white variant here looks great in the hands, and even though it might not be a slim device, at 9.4mm thickness, at 196.5 grams, it still gives the illusion of thinness while holding it due to the curve at the edges. And the build quality also appears to be fine in my usual trial bend at the moment. The Realme 7 is the world's first device to sport the MediaTek Helio G95 processor, and in a few days of usage, it does look like a capable chipset. The Realme 7 also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Whether this compromises or weakens the structural integrity or not, we'll find that out later in the video. There are lots of good stuff about Realme devices, though there is also one not so good thing. Realme has been notorious for using poor quality glass protection right from the Realme 1 days, which tends to scratch pretty easily by the blade. And as we remove this pre-applied plastic screen protector, we are also hoping that maybe this time Realme has changed things for the better on the 7 series. We are performing the scratch test of the tempered glass protection on the display with common atoms found in pockets and a heavy-duty blade to prove the glass quality in terms of scratch resistance. High-quality glass on many devices, like those made by Corning, have been surviving the scratch test, and especially the blade, which plays an important role in proving the actual scratch resistance of glass. This is because the blade is not supposed to scratch glass, since glass is harder than steel on the Mohs scale of hardness. So it's surprising to see the glass protection on Realme devices fail the blade on a consistent basis. So are we going to see an improvement of the glass protection on the Realme 7? We were expecting an upgrade by Realme for its glass protection on the Realme 7. Though as you can see, the glass protection was not able to handle the blade abuse like most other Realme devices of the past. Some points to remember about the Realme 7 is that unlike the Realme C15 and the C12, where Realme had claimed a splash-resistant design on its official website, there is no such claim this time for the Realme 7 here. But at the same time, like the C15 and C12, there is also no rubber seal present on the SIM tray, something which was surprisingly present on the much cheaper Realme C3. Although, a fun fact is that Realme have generally done pretty well in our water tests, even though it does not have official IP certified water resistance of any kind. So in the holophobic test, we are looking for a layer of holophobic coating on the glass protection. This holophobic layer helps in taking care of fingerprint smudges, and if present, feels smooth to touch with the fingers. Realme has been notorious for avoiding holophobic coating on the budget devices as a cost-cutting measure, and its proof of absence can be seen here when the water sticks to the glass surface, forming a pool instead of forming spherical drops on devices which have holophobic coating. The good news at this stage is that the low sounding audio due to water entering the ports is coming back to normal within a few seconds, signifying the process of liquid damage has not yet started. Another good thing is that Realme does have a great track record in our water tests, never really failing, and here also we are expecting nothing less from the latest Realme 7. a lot of unpleasant things can happen to non-IP rated devices during the water test. Take for example, the Redmi Note 8 and 9 during this light splashing round itself had suffered from permanent black screen issue due to severe motherboard damage, or the Zenfone 5G's display which had got permanently damaged after heavy drenching. A few other devices have also faced issues like temporary screen flicker or the screen going blank for a few minutes. Although the most common occurrence which happens the most is low loudness levels and distorted sound from the external speakers that can last for a few seconds, or it may last for several hours, which may signify the start of liquid damage to the display, motherboard or the sound unit. The Realme 7 at this stage has not faced any audio issues until now and is able to recover in a few seconds. Realme has once again proved with the Realme 7 that it indeed does have great water resistance and passes a water test with no damage to internal parts, display or optics. Although it did take about 20 minutes for the audio to get normal, a bit longer than usual compared to most other Realme devices. Next up, for the drop test from different angles. First drop, pocket height, bottom side facing down. No damage or dent at the bottom edge. Now for the second pocket height drop, top side facing the marble floor. Unlike a few devices with dents, no damage here until now at the top edge. Next, third drop from pocket height, back camera side unit facing down. The back side and the camera unit has managed to survive without any cracks or damage, but more on that a bit later. Next, the last drop from pocket height, display side facing down. As of now, after 4 pocket height drops, the Realme 7 appears to be doing good with no damage. We are performing the drop test of the Realme 7 from different heights and angles to find out its drop impact resistance. So next up, increasing the height to 1.6 meters head high. First high drop, bottom side facing down. Still no dents or cracks at the bottom edge. The 7 seems to be looking good at this stage. Next up, second high drop, top side facing the floor. Unlike some other devices like the Nazo 10, the Realme 7 does not break at the sides of the plastic mid-frame. Next, for the third high drop, starting live video recording, camera unit backside facing down. The Realme 7 looks like it handled the high backside drops with no damages to the camera unit or glass. But we have more information on that after the next drop. So now, for the finale screen side drop you have been waiting for, with live video recording on the selfie camera, display side facing down. The Realme 7 has passed the drop test for the most part, except for one fail where it suffered some kind of damage to the camera unit frame. We have not seen such kind of damage until now, where tiny fragments have fallen off from the camera frame with minute cracks at the edges. And the best way to protect it is by using the high quality free case given in the box. Next up, moving on to fun stuff with value. The bend test will give you a clear picture about the actual real life structural build quality of a device that the company has given you for your money. The few occasions where a device actually fails the bend test is when the bend test comes to use for us consumers, since it pushes the brand to improve the build quality of the failed device in future. Realme devices fortunately have never really failed till date and have an excellent track record in terms of structural integrity and build quality. The Realme 5i was the only device to suffer from kinks near weak areas, as most other Realme devices have done rather well in our bend tests. The Realme 7 does bend a bit. The degree of flex is slightly on the higher side, but it locks out, and after that it does hold its own against high amounts of pressure from both the display side as well as the back side. And as is evident from the video proof, there is no physical or internal damage despite the high degree of bend, making it pass the bend test with ease due to its strong plastic build and design.